If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. In this video, we wanted to share with you the AI paradox that is emerging, massive lawsuits and soaring valuations. The artificial intelligence industry is experiencing one of the most fascinating contradictions in modern business. While facing an unprecedented wave of copyright lawsuits and legal challenges, AI companies continue to achieve record-breaking valuations that defy traditional risk assessment logic. We are seeing a legal storm that is brewing, and it is more of a global background rather than a local one. Let's start with OpenAI. It is swiping on multiple fronts. The creator of ChatGPT finds itself defending against numerous high-profile copyright infringement cases worldwide. Let's share a couple of examples. In the United States, the New York Times lawsuit survived a crucial motion to dismiss in March 2025, allowing the case's main copyright infringement claims to proceed to trial. The case centers on allegations that OpenAI exploited newspaper content without permission or payment to train ChatGPT. And when we're talking about Anthropic has made history by becoming the first major AI company to settle a significant copyright case, but legal challenges still persist. Let's talk about the landmark settlement out here. Anthropic agreed to pay $1.5 billion to settle a class action suit by authors, the largest copyright settlement in US history. Now, despite the settlement, Anthropic still faces trial in December of 2025, specifically over how it acquired the books from shadow libraries. So when we're talking about Perplexity, we are seeing that the AI search engine company is facing what may be the most diverse array of legal challenges. There are major media lawsuits as well as technical violations. When we're talking about the media lawsuits, the news pop subsidies, that is Wall Street Journal and New York Post, filed suit in October of 2024 alleging massive free riding and seeking massive damages. Webster and Encyclopedia Britannica also filed the most recent lawsuit alleging unauthorized reproduction of their content. Now, still, what we are saying is that there is a valuation explosion that is going on and the investors seem undeterred. Despite the legal storm, AI company valuations have reached extraordinary heights that seemed impossible just a few years ago. When we are talking about AI, it has become a $300 billion giant. Current valuation is around $300 billion, with $40 billion in total funding planned for 2025. Annual revenue run rates reported between 12 to 13 billion, with projections potentially reaching 20 billion by year end. When we are talking about Anthropic, it has a 183 billion valuation, nearly tripling since March of 2025. Remarkably, this massive increase has come after their 1.5 billion settlement. The revenue has surged from 1 billion to over 5 billion annualized, attributed to rapid enterprise adoption. And when we are talking about Perplexity, it has an $18 to $20 billion valuation despite facing multiple lawsuits and technical violations, as we just shared with you. The company even made a notorious $34 billion bid for Google's Chrome browser, exceeding its own valuation. We are seeing an industry-wide licensing boom. Industry estimates suggest that AI companies have committed nearly $3 billion in content licensing deals since 2024. 83% of 2025 AI licensing deals involve media firms creating new revenue streams while reducing litigation risks. Average deal size estimated at about $24 billion, with some publishers generating revenue equivalent to 2.5x of their previous 5-year net income. What we are seeing is a broader industry shift. The industry appears to be evolving towards a more mature approach to content relationships. It is going from confrontation to collaboration. Publishers are increasingly open to licensing deals that provide guaranteed revenue. AI companies are proactively seeking partnerships to avoid costly litigation. We are also seeing regulatory adoption at the same time. Courts are developing new frameworks for evaluating AI fair use claims. International jurisdictions are also creating different precedents, leading to varied outcomes globally. The AI industry's approach to intellectual property represents a fundamental shift in how technology companies interact with content creators. Rather than the traditional ask for forgiveness rather than permission approach, we are seeing an emergence of a new model wherein legal costs and licensing fees are simply factored into business operations from the start. This dynamic reflects the broader truth about the transformative technologies. They often create enough value for all parties to benefit, even if the initial distribution of the value requires legal and commercial negotiation. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.